forecast.
Severe thunderstorm watch, I think, just got issued.
Tonight, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday, partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the afternoon.
I was in a game.
Around 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. Sunday night, mostly sunny in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest.
Why is my internet going so?
Chance of rain 20%.
I should still get that.
Partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s.
There it goes.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 278, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin and Nash. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather, radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
There we go.
This is NOAA weather, radio, all hazards.
You're under a slight risk today, so I thought that might would have happened. I didn't know. So, there we go.